The human web of interdependency is fragile and shoddy. It has huge, gaping holes in segments and others with broken strands that cannot be repaired. It is filled with compulsory demands like, you must do this job you hate, or you won't get paid, and then you will be homeless, living on the street. Let's compare the human web with the divine web we are creating. Every single Christ aspect's job is to support every other Christ aspect, including Gaia. To return to our simple example last week, the artisan is completely supported in her ways of being by the larger collective. Their jobs are to support her in doing what she loves doing, without expectations of any sort. They won't expect to be paid back in any way. They won't expect a certain number of products. They won't expect a 40 to 60-hour work week. They won't expect her to be on call. They will only know deeply within the shared Christ mind that she is following her heart, her soul, with perfect timing. Other Christs will not attempt to exert control over her creativity with expectations and demands. All of Christ is free. The artisan can make sweaters and socks and is free to close shop one day and explore bread making or swimming with the dolphins. The divine web is only made of love. The strands are so perfectly and tightly woven that no one can fall through. There will be no burned bridges. Look past at your own lives and the relationships that supported or did not support who you have become today. Look at those in your society who do not have a supportive community. This is what ego and fear have produced. The divine web of love will produce a very different world, one of possibilities, not one of compulsory actions. Everyone will be treasured, and it will not be based on performance or how many hoops they can jump through. With love, Rami.